My name is Barry Lee, and I'm CNC machinist. And I've been a machinist for 30 years, and I've mostly done mills. But I actually have had an opportunity to do a lot of lathe work, and it's been just a different experience. A great deal, especially when it came to the assembly part of Sproutlex's units. I mean, that was something that was a new endeavor for myself, and it just being a machinist for 30 years and being able to actually do something else, and actually being able to see how what I was doing as a machinist applied to the assembly process.